Hi guys, it's Sheila. Welcome back to the Crochet Nurse channel. Today what we're going to do is talk about the make from the silk yarn and then also declare the winner for the silk yarn giveaway. If you like this kind of content, please subscribe and don't forget to hit the notification bell. So last week we talked about, I got 2 skeins of yarn from Darn Good Yarns that they had given to me to review, and I shared with you that I was going to take one skein, keep one skein, and make something up, and then give the second skein to one of you guys. So let's talk about the skein I keep or kept, and you can see that I'm actually wearing it. And so what I decided to make with it is I'm calling it the Sunny Waters Kerchief, because remember the color of this yarn is Sunny Waters, and so I just call it the Sunny Waters Kerchief. And let me lean in a little bit so you can see what it looks like. And so looks pretty nice. And so what I decided to do for this guy was, it's really a whole bunch of double treble crochet. So I started at the small end, as you can see here. Started at the small end, couple double trebles, and then went on up. And when I got to the middle, which is about 9 inches wide here, and I knew I was halfway done with my ball of yarn, I actually started doing decrease. And so I knew I was halfway done with the ball of yarn because I was weighing it. I have a scale, and I was just weighing the yarn. When I knew I was halfway through, I just started doing decrease. So widest point, like I say, is 9 inches in the middle, and lengthwise this thing is 58 inches long. So it is absolutely, you definitely, with a 50-gram ball, definitely have enough to make something like this. So this may give you guys some ideas of something you would want to make. Just FYI. Again, this color is Still Waters. It's Journey Recycled. It's still on sale. I just was over there a little bit ago. It's still on sale at DGY for like $7 a skein. And I still do have the 15% off code if you guys want to use that. So, oh, I did write the pattern for this. Almost forgot to tell you, because I know somebody will ask, and so I did write the pattern up for this, and this is a super easy pattern to write or to do. I wrote it up and I put it on my website, and I'll put the link in the description box below, and it'll be the Sunny Waters Kerchief will be the name. Okay? All right. I thought I would take this off and give you a close-up look of the stitch definition and the colors, and just to chat briefly about how it worked up. So not a problem at all with the yarn. You can see it has pretty good stitch definition. I used a 4.0H hook. No problems with splitting, with breakage of the yarn, anything along those lines. When it comes off the skein, just FYI for everybody, because I think there's a little bit of misnomer out there, the yarn is soft, but it's not slick. And I think people think that it's supposed to be slick. It's soft, but it's not slick. The more that you work with the yarn, the slicker it becomes. Folks made comments about my cowl, saying it looked different the second time than it did the first. That's because I washed it and I had worn it a couple more times. And so that's the thing with this yarn. It seems like the more you touch it, the more you play with it, the softer it becomes. And you can see, maybe you can't, but I can from my side, it has a nice sheen to it as well. So part 2 of what you guys are here for is we need to declare a winner for the yarn. And again, this is the DGY Sportway Silk yarn that I showed you guys last week, and this is on the DGY website as well. And this is in the color of Popsicle. Okay. And so I saw a lot of you guys putting purple yarn below, so there's a lot of interest in folks wanting to try the silk yarn. So what we need to do is we need to find a winner. So let's go over to my computer and let's go pick a winner. All right, see you in a minute. All right, we made it to the computer. I'm just going to pop in the URL and comments. Purple silk. Let's see what we got. And remember, so 4 guys, we will go grab the winner. This is Thursday, so try to contact me by Saturday. My mailbox, our post office, is only open for like an hour on Saturday, so I already know I won't be able to get it out on Saturday. I mean, unless you contact me really early on Friday, because my post office opens like from 9 to 10. Okay, so let's see who we got. We'll use the random picker. Here we go. Kim Mahan, love that purple silk yarn. My favorite colors. Purple is a lot of folks' favorite colors. Mine too. Well, Kim, make sure you give me a contact. My email address is in the description box below. Please send me your address and reach out to me. Try to get me before Saturday if you can. And congratulations on winning. Have a fantastic day today, everybody. That's what I wanted to share.